Hallo agus fáte héad na seanslí mas muineh seanú waú blociad ar na seanslí ar an túscuire tá brnar an fao mó glóir. Bhí mar ag scríáil agus ag seáil na nómarce agus tá slightly bór in é bheith ag gig ach siad go ahanana a ggéisna seo ar an bhaid cearna mar cómuid post féile na Gealaí. So go go fáil beá bethe faoi lethir. Tá seo mar scra le cólaachia lemuid chuir do seo ar dúspair le aine anig tú.
Mai go mai ach tá tarsa go mai siad an ghfuil an seir goin díar mar an ggéine ar watchin so tuigem de chas tuigem dóigh tú mothú.
Agus tá tusa caiú an hata hotgail summer fásta. Bhfuil a birte go bh caiú an hata hotgail summer. Oh my goodness.
Tá a repal fa chunne mar dit OG hotgail summer.
Yeah, well can't be an OG hotgail summer than seo fásta le James ó Flaherty to James Jimmerthati.
Yeah, okay, ní hotgail summer dí am sa.
Ní go fáil.
Bhí se lukewarm a gúnaí.
Ní leis an tearcú sin.
No.
Bhín se lukewarm a gúnaí in fairness ach níor sé díomh I fecha. But yeah, ní is céad a héin ach I think with like malacht and hatashin or something. I think APK visa can much on any use. APK no repair on session on hatashin susmo heel being my severely single. So it's like being my like 0 talking stages, 0 messages, 0 interests in thing. So it's like gamma for rail hatashin I guess shin tossen rudi suicide. Ach sin feice me agus tá like back to square one like níl tá talm a héal. So I think gofuil dríocht a cinn sé pálí na géadí chuir an hata sin go mé me like just severely single fádas na hata sin mo héal which is
níl aon rud níos teo ná duine ag obair orthú féin. So sinna foioi beidir nuair a taú caiithú an hotgail summer.
Work in progress.
Did the Gurk to him, you know?
Agus during Pauline Agoni gur be haka summer gur mion inkina é sin. It's just áché go tusa in inkin. Níl sé faoi cévid duna gulti gá leis nó cebérad mar sin. It's go mohin tusa, winina, sexy, raid and seal, like just curtain mahan sin.
Sin hotgail summer. Sin é hotgail summer, even though I look like
níl scair go le fucking duine bháin a deachchttaín sin am. So sinna amazing scair. Tá mai géan hata sin chur más mo híal.
James, you're from two different worlds. You've heard like any better.
No, in fairness though, it's broad my hata, but as we are wrong.
Yeah, it's drunk ogre.
No, like it's broad my hata, like it's broad my car. I just come raw, like go. We shall like. Ní some kind I think like hall like piece agus you like dul then and then I came back in my life like it's just went severely single each that's happened 3 times. You know I think it's just their much on time though so basically just can my camera.
Ní romi RB ogum sa gadisha.
Oi see you dirty dog. Hey post féile na Gealaí. So an there even you country féile na Gealaí agus an vibe bhí an agus an crack a bhí ar siúl ar fád agus ach anis I think foiimid amach gur mar gur be cin na cad féilte mór is síl na Gaelic don saoú Festival Blues is a real like just tagging just ho gasta. I know then it's just ar an mus sin arás ó rachar go bhd lia ar an dónach an was a car just nach tagan go for fád the sea heart being like oh my god sit an agent but I think much kill the recovery tips a chuir le cheile that the a tear an bhealach arás ó rachar just a go bhla sacu then go Harry Marial go bheith féil na Gealaí ar siúil deip bliana a mí se thugann so be se crazy I mean sugar so I think Caimuid an a contingency plan a chuirla cheala faoi láthair just so bhla sugain ceir é dhéanú ceir the cap sin le an ced rud go caiid dinge éigen dhéanú in é féil na Gealaí.
Well Caimuid smaoinhar seo in ord den lán ar tá tú fágáil féin na Gealaí.
Yeah.
So Sína mo chéidir ná déanaar gan an nómarcha trealamh campála a bheith leat, mar níl rud a bhí níos measa ná géirí luúid adóní chuid tú ráte ágal agus a déanaar do fphobal a chur aiste sa bhála, déanaar feil ré le do chaní just tá sé bí tú cho tarsa as de grabín se chur fearne. As just rud is measa é gompur an logad de ligige an car. So Pácail go héitrim mas féidir leat, mar ní mothú deas é sin maidin dedóní.
Yeah, because I think because bín sibse anna olmhaithe le haid féiltí an tamar fáin, like a hanna lá a chamberjing go electric picnic, it's like bhfuil kitchen bug glach to live.
Yeah.
Dá ahan agus ahanana le sihan, ahanana le Kushner, ahan le rud gur féad
Got snacks and condoms.
Literally fucking ein rud gur féad le a chuiriste im bhile tá se live ag film na Gealaí. No, ag electric picnic.
I know, I'm my own worst enemy. Mar tágann sé ag an láidirna agus tá sé códóí mar tá pobl an mhórgain as bí tú tríd leis an pobl í chuirte samála. Ach an rud a formise agus is game changer omlan é agus seo rud iontacht a an denál ná cean den na trolleys.
Oh,
Ig le dála dons, no, I think B&Q current 100 stas a trolley as an sin níáach. É haring clatcha cos le wagon bug.
Tá sin tála electric picnic ach like tá fé na Gealaí like an parking sin. Like
Vecín earth and made trips go mín arm sa dhéanamh heag an gar.
Oh no, tá
The James tan gearbag leis.
Yeah.
One fail swoop agus tá se a mun sin agus homsa would be mata like obviously bit tú tosaí go lua an saring should they. So there is to like hat cúig sé there a hosses like rudí súsrís ma ví tú ste a champa agus brand tú agus effectú like okay níl rudí se tastaim chahing se iad sa gar a saring.
Yes.
And then níl tan ní slú a tógil a dúna.
Cliste, yeah.
Sin rudí nach mu se, but like be just na bare bones amsa goni anyway. So
yeah, sílim go gur an daoine rudí ar fáil dit James nar landal an tosa ag an bhéile.
Hey.
King James.
It's the crack tax, you know.
The crack tax. Listen, what's the iron crack?
Louis tusa faoin thur Sálaithe Hugh ach sílim go rud antácht é seo gan a bheith leat hain.
Oh yeah.
Agus is botún rinne mise an chéad bblion é sin ná himán mé a bháile lom hain. Bhí arm stopú an irid sin mar nachró dunar bí agam chunar le mé chuneal sppraghí don timáint. Me just cóhuiignach, hí na blues really má bhúlú like so a héblin eile chun bhhail le James agus just bhí se go homlan difriúil well bhí mud brónach fós agus pissed off ach níl se go hol man bhfuil tú latéin so ná bhí latéin a go bháile.
No, definitely. No, because like an dóibh weimsa síos go féil le Gealaí ra is fáil a bus mín agrithe ag lob agus like bín cracker dóid ar an bus síos a chana chant le cheile sporting spree, all buzz, whatever agus sin ar an dónach a hanna le blian is tar nós kill that like go láring you know ag Jerry like tourist scá agus bhí arbor fad flag a could be rud a hanna ho brona agus ho like you know it's just like oh caiimiid done a rash and there's like in fear seal like céin foioi mar se go gaim mar seo dhéanú Garner nar a tag bus cos bhí pean aráin agus níor hanigin bus gotí like ringing an chomaní bus Jermid áin bhí like mu sin agus bhí like hey an hína logus nó bus an seag fá gur scartar ar an chomaní agus ir te ó siúh gaim mé teach a ráis agus bhí si like
she should just like her heel ward like please
Like,
what for
please buis íon leis an bhí se hóte bhí leis an well actually sin ar dráthir fásta cos bhín sun creamer fádas trí a hanige agus hanige just líam ar an farc bhí like come on like
sin rud a gonéan an tosa go minic bím se go níimethe lua agus sílam gur goil sé ionach go lua an lá go tú fágal féile so bhíú electric picnic dagmanne síla meige leanaí hotar margin onas nach me an tracht go holg dúne. Fan an Hugh a ggóí couple like derm slán leta do fobals teint sa ra a choú and then bím se saháile like shower fight gom im labís bín Hugh kind like mu just fágal ni agus a gcóí bín tú stuck ar mór ar an mótar bhela choáile like so is sílamsa gur rookie mistake mór é sin gandul luar margin.
But being in crack am I so football? Come on.
Oh, I bet man.
Oh, James so flirt.
Yeah.
Ach, I mean, bhí sé cóhfuil blianháin gro tú stoppi go homlan ar mótarhach, léim tú más de car le aglú chu gine mar nach rud béal le dénne got.
Bhí se bhín leis an fucking crackáilte sin ní chatrás EP éhlíon na hain agus bhí má le i gobar th an deir seachtainge agus go bhí rud a hála ar mótarhla bhí literally an tracht amlan stopíthe ar fá like uair better ní cumne go céine goáda, but bhí se cho sé fásta so like bhí se really dantra so den hasí má i siúil timpplair an mótarhla leis an microphone agus a camera being like hey bhí Gary Lord lumsa faoin na coneolathe a d ar an mótarhil fiú lethir. Listen, it's irritar me. What can I say?
An sib sin is ar daoine a ghlacin lá sir in é féile.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. In the EP, I can't. I suppose Kai to a walker in EP because the
more do.
Yeah, more go through and Valach wallet.
Ach an ghlacha an March cumai.
No.
Yeah.
A han bblion Durham. God, I wish go mé an lá seo ghlachas sir an over. Ach tagan tú hegas during tú ní fiú é ghlacu an seo tá sé óla rá mé gan eile.
Yeah.
No, tá annual leave rá hábhachtach go a thógeal ar lá a bhfuil tú duna physical damage chus hain ar a deir seachtainna. I think go bíon fallúnt a chachas tú dhéine má tú go hain a chuchréid deir seachtainna mar hin. I think that the festivals is good that you're borrowing happiness with lawkings agus that's going to be on loon agus an mort agus is sin just on schuit an seal agus is sin rud kins a chasú a hógeal an board go tú go le fallint an lásin agus cean the length masses an léna agus an loon héit fé na Gealaí ru cean agus dúnach but you know it's something you just gotta do. Agus catú na annual leave sin a chuine le hí see the ass at a hógeal at some stage simléin. That's my thinking of it.
Sí tá mion ógad de le bumnach is caiite pínos a chuir tain is go raise an over maihealar gro an air sin crack a got. Sean méid tá tiltte go in éis na lá miserable like mí honna. Níl me si den ro na churban mis like Tuair de daagna né déir seach na mórmha gut níor mar an choú got tá seoíolart le de scíis le bín sira eolart in éon sira. Le féile sílam.
No, as in fuck mise I go 20 cans I ngari I chola at a tala. I ví sam kid vi ma go dachan. So like should on pianos a chasú a chuirt is go back go reality.
Pianos
no, because I think what gla law here are more to just prolonging the depression because fading.
Yeah, tá fair an sin. Ní hé go nhéana mé ach go ní smínim fa you know.
Temptation.
No. Catú go staach the fear Hillary's and hit it head on before it hits you. You know.
Ceirdaí an sibh se so like tróna jadóí ar hagan sibh se rasio fit óil na Gealaí cindóid olmín sibh don chéad leile an bhfuil sibh se go maithe like chuna hédí san íchan láthraach I fáil céáil go fáil take away beidir éí or an labí nhéanaan sibh na céimena le ons go diglah mothú get bug níos fear margin deún.
Well, chéadú the industú na go le siú rihású ar an mór an nu ag mós na tada agus fáil chola liquid it does not. Absolutely cholered. So coffee on Luxay Sport. I've got Basic Powerade on.
She's the creebot.
Just caffeine or Powerade is Luxay Sport. No, electrolytes is like sugar. So you have to.
Whoopsie.
It's not like, but it's not the caffeine like way monsters. Like it's more to get you hydrated.
Every day school day.
Agus chain to the goal for like put more meals ishke. And I tell you what the game changer is. Agus ni ve glódíní sásta because this has a bad rep like glódíní eile. But effing to protein milk. It's a game changer.
Ew, like seolí ní caní ol óiad me chun liquid dairy a chuir sta in mo chorp. Tá curdling a tarlú si do ólag James.
What do you mean? Er mel chháile nu tá sé sa fridge sa siúpa.
Oh,
Sorry, I just
nah.
doesn't ewa though. It's a co.
Well,
It's
you
co.
start leis sin because
Oh, on
actually
brand to James.
Yeah.
scientifically proven go bein with this fearr dehydration app. So I'm sorry that I'm taking care of my body.
No,
So
but just downing budgel of protein milk.
not
car.
budge, it's a little carton of
Like
fucking
fine a hand
500
ella just
mil.
like smacks a stéise cigar shop, but no to James of all protein milk.
Listen,
Yeah.
gains are gains. Could be on battalion shits, you know.
It's actually hydration. The top actually like severely serious a joke go be buying and kind of sure there, you know.
Oh my god.
So yeah.
Them
And you
ones.
start off leis sin because you had ní smashes a hustle to that look say sport and then go to Powerade and then go on you because then that would be like blue flavored milk.
Ugh.
Had to connect tossy leis banya. Yeah.
Céir dé dó order ón gariste hiú.
There must be
It tusa do like a garist wine tusa protein milk.
No, and I actually it might shock and surprise you. And have me to go protein milk minute. No, so in Run the Ems the Rally Féile the Gealaí it's been in food trucks and go alone and breakfast rolls. So finding breakfast roll and shin because in shin it's the chatarash, then bedger get the tay, bedger bujal ishke, bedger couple of chocolate le two honey bio just like el noala basically. And then Lewis and Landlum's chat, and I just like sprawl during Talog, like Niama genuine road, takeaway already here, like Niama dull, Ainech, Dal Kajal La, as kind of then Vinu the much housemates carried a guest a film the gallery reach and being like, no, shall see the like, yes, Tam actually was just Krista Shaw, like V Shaw crack alja.
Mar híla right mar nach nólan hiú nach mech an dehydration agus an thuirse as anar déir ach tá ana go hiú ní ecinn tú riú ggóil bud liisce. So bheith tosa có dehydrated le dinner bí eile i gin éile go ró ggóil. Bín tú hain I'd say dír mar géine go mínart like hydration tablet nor they gonna bheith go trodóní because ní ecm riú. Ní ólinn tú éis.
I'm Gary because then card oh good should have that I'm like so correctly called out like Shaw. Tomorrow we hit those because it can't let the
the veil cos le sandpaper here na hithe.
É látar é éon ban a bhógséidirh bíon a bhéal go
Sorry? Come on, Eskell. You know, ain't complaints from to go fall. I don't think. Ní cap him. But no, listen, we're just trying to rehab dosage. Better should have run across Yama like all like Nivi McGall, Nivi in liquids out of Star Harpy. Because I'm just like, oh yeah, no, Neil McGall's tomorrow, right? So then we're just walking around dry.
So tá tú mothú beagnach tinnas poch because sin leat an tinnas poch na an mothú sin de ógáis cé jólarm tá me cótarsa.
Yeah.
Tá mo chorp is scradíal fachanéisc.
I'm thirst faster though, shouldn't like because been to I know going to demography like oh I've been to muscle jiggy or been potchard to the goal, but it's because it's also muscle jiggy like wanting quick of longer margin or could be rod as a geary I was but the harp go file Gary eerie like again lead that could be rod so
Tá mi se I tuairt fi dear ghfuil sé dír có Jean ar an gcorp go amach gan a bheith ggóil Tá mé a dhéanú le déine agus si bín tú fós a gúiseat go dtíon am go lehan duine tá olta I dul choú mar bín siad có glórach.
yeah.
Agus dú sin nu ná chéan le agus bín tú có ar like aware den thuirse I do chorp mar sin an daonrod so yeah bín tú fóscris a den deirseachna tá sé fós Jean ar an gcorp.
Welche hig mo seal. Welche hig mo seal. Look, he's on. I capture for fod. Vi a ho fosse. A ve costumums. No. Ar go sin go sin é don agrad seo. Sun go bunch of salt as film legal sin rud is táhachttaí bíí sáte bíí sanna bíí goile? Question mark? I don't know. But the carry much be Áine on. So Jane Kinchi Garbrin to hello Áine ní bheith Áine and James on prior commitments and prior commitment tugs in that go go London, which is rud is frick gaile go féad le nach mé ag fel na galí tú go mé ag gig in London. But was the guy which Amsterdam the man hosted them which are Shansi or Instagram agus Shansi or YouTube was the guy and Amsterdam hosted that more anywhere or Instagram who's anywhere or TikTok was the guy James Amsterdam hosted that's more Flower Talker Instagram who's Flower Talker TikTok who's more the guy Mahane Amsterdam hosted to more Hugh Carr Instagram he's just Greg Hugh Carr or TikTok.
Imagine Jaluna bheith an fin am go daoine géiste lei seo mar sin beisi lig ag gáilrás heag an obair. So matas tú ar bheon incinine sogumsa tuair air de sin le go ré nábhí roín ar tain beag leor treats jazz a go nu ach man tá cos le James.
Get over yourself.
Bhí go lás meso go tú riú every níos curína de brí tú riú.
Yeah.
ná bud bhí jazz go leníthe.
Could ceol ag nach go seas a seabhar agus fá ré thank you
Yeah.
bhile.
Níl lá jazz tiltte go.
Jen kinse go buckling to Shamra or like wrong gym solar chain to she's to film the Gealaí.
Bro, don't.
Dun loon the modulin loon
Yeah.
6 a.m. Drink a booty blaster course. Should another guy the end.
Sweat out that dirty diesel. Sweat it out.
Dirty diesel. All right. But he's on this shock because they were driving back under the shots here. I'll get you in. Salon.
Lá.
Long.